This is the Prairie Gold, guys. I hope it looks more yellow out here than it did in the booth. It looked kind of green in the booth. We're getting Tom loaded up today. He's got his father-in-law who bought this new. So 2 generations, and now it looks good again. So hopefully it'll last another couple generations. But this is the Prairie Gold, and I hope it looks like real Prairie Gold out in the sun. Absolutely. Get some pictures of the box. Does it look yellow?
It does. I can't tell if it looks in focus
good.
or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, instead of about, I think I figured out by the time we bought fuel and the rest, it'd be about $2,300. About $300 worth of filing and stuff. I got a buddy that's a carpenter. He brought over like a chop saw and everything. He said, how many screws you got on this thing? Well, I know there's at least 200 because I went through 2 boxes of 100. But I got, see the lag bolts in the corner, and then I'll knock these off and we'll just pick this box off and move it forward and we're done. What do you think? You don't want to say.
I think it's going to be wonderful.
Oh, okay. Oh. Brother?
I'm good.
You sure?
Well, what's the plan? We're picking
What I
up.
was just pick it up.
Which way are we headed?
We go forward. How's that?
Hey, I think it's screwed loose.
No. Oh yeah. Hold on, Brian.
More screws right here.
Stuck in there.
No. I got some more. We got.
Hey, had three screws.
Yeah.
See here? Didn't want it going
Oh, what the hell? I didn't even see him.
Yeah. And you know that was.
I didn't even see him. I thought
Well,
we were going to...
what I was going to do, and we got, and it's no big deal. Let's just take off the bottom ones.
Okay.
With the 9/16.
Yep.
And then we'll just set it down. I don't think it'll bend these. If we do, we'll just bend them back. It's got little pins behind it. That's why I say it's overbuilt. What side do you want me on? Well, I hate to just stand here. Well, you got it. How is it?
Not bad.
Okay, good. All right, whenever you guys are ready. Oh,
Fantastic.
there it is.
There she is.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to take off my watch and my
One
ring
cheek
so I don't scratch. And then here's my body mounts, the 2 front, the back, and then here's 2 for the back. All measured up, so we'll just put it in there, put some bolts down through, reach in, get it done.
Sound like a good plan, don't it?
Hey, are you going to put us on YouTube?
Absolutely.
Good.
I'm getting the film right now.
Gotta come up. You okay over there, Jamie?
I'm going to walk right up the ramp.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'm fine. This will be the hardest part of the whole job.
We're tired.
Yeah, I got the same way.
Oh,
That's what I was. That's okay. Let's set it down just a little bit. And then.
Can you get off? You guys got the body?
There we go.
You want to hold that for us, ma'am?
yep.
I'm off the gate. We'll be all right.
Okay, hold on. We moved our. James, can you put that?
I got it.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yes. Because I didn't want to.
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. All right, it's got to come towards me a little bit. And then.
I got to come.
Okay. We gotta be close.
We look, well, I don't know how straight the wood is, but we're not in too bad a shape back here.
We're not
Okay.
on the
We're not on the puck here?
puck here.
Yeah, well, I probably just did, yeah, that's okay. I did the inside. Okay,
The other
we gotta be
side's
close.
Not.
Lined up.
Well, maybe
I
the
gotta
other
come.
side is.
I gotta come over 2 inches to you, Tom. To get
Toward,
my back. It looks like that.
we ought to be pretty close because I didn't do, you may be right. This will be, once we get the front two lined up, everything else is good.
Where are you at on the front?
Is the way going past through out there? That ain't matching up.
No, that'll be from inside the glove box. Don't worry about it. Let's do the front, and then the back will be good. So I think we got to come back just a little. Ready? Can you see
I think
through the body?
I think we gotta come my way.
Oh, okay.
I think straight this way.
Hold on, where you dropped the spacers.
Yeah. Oh, we can. If we get.
Okay,
We
if
can
you don't
rock
need them.
it.
Yeah, mine fell off here.
Yeah. All right.
We can pick it up and put it back under.
Let me get a lineup bar.
Oh, that. Yeah. Wow.
I don't think I got great footage because I was trying to help and grab stuff at the same
Oh,
time.
No, hey. If we can get 2 in, we're in business. I'll tell you what, once he gets that line up on, let me get some glasses where I can see what I'm doing. Ready?
Right there.
All right.
Right there.
Okay.
Gonna bolt that down before we do this?
Yeah,
or
we'll
what?
just put one in loose.
Let me try and get the other driver's swing, passenger side.
And we got to put slide these back under there to come out.
Okay, we'll have to pick that up.
Yeah. If you want to slide, I'll pick it up. Might probably get that off the line too, wanna?
Where's is the hockey puck under there?
Yeah, it's
No,
still under. It's sitting
It's under there, but
But I don't
the
know if it's
body's not
lined
on
or
it.
Okay, well I missed this. This one isn't under here either.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just
Don't
just a
say
pain.
it.
Listen, that's why you got the touch-up thing.
Don't say
It's gonna be fine.
We got another one. And I know those bolts are too long, but we'll cinch it down.
Better too long, too short.
Well, what you got planned, or you just gonna keep doing it engine work? Or you got
I'll do anything.
whatever
anytime.
comes up?
Anything, anytime.
Anything make money.
You got it.
You got it.
What it's all about.
It's been a weird year.
Yeah, we're the same way in Georgia. My wife's a school teacher, so sometimes they're in school, now they're... Okay, psychologist.
Yep.
I mean, for God's sakes, to hang around with me, I need a psychologist. Listen, I've tried other relationships and they didn't work until I found a psychologist.
Well, when you find the right one, you're a lucky
You're
man.
exactly right. And look at the kind of stuff I do. Who could put up with this?
Nah.
My girlfriend, my wife's been dead 4 years now. My girlfriend, she's got a nurse.
Alright, so we're securing the body down.
Let's start thinking about that. Is the whole thing turning?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the whole thing's turning.
Okay.
Ready? I'll give it a little
Can you get on it? Yeah, you're pulling the plywood up.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, very nice. One more to go.
Are you getting the color real good?
I'm trying. There's a lot more shadows than you'd think, even with the sun.
It looked like kind of, you know what, zinc, kind of like that
Zinc
greenish
chromate.
zinc.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but I said, hey, no
I
problem.
think it looks real yellow now.
Oh, it's the perfect color. Perfect.
Okay, ready when you are.
All right.
Two winches to go. An inch to go. Keep going. Keep going.
In the bottom. I'll use that new one for the. You think we're like swaddling
Okay,
a
we've
baby
wrapped
or
up the
something.
hood.
This is what you gotta do.
Oh yeah. And, you know, a little bit of time now pays off down the road.
We can lift it
Okay.
and send it in there,
Yeah.
and then you wrap it if you need to.
I think
You got
it's
enough on
double
the end?
wrap now.
Got enough on the ends?
I'll tuck it under once we lift it.
Yeah. I mean, it worked out good coming up. Okay, I'll help her. I'll stay.
Which way you going in? Sideways or?
I put it in, no, long ways. Yeah, so we kind of have a valley and then the fenders go in the valley. You'll see what I mean.
So not like this, but the other way you want it?
Uh,
I don't know if it'll fit the other way.
yeah, let's try this, and if we can spin it, that's great. It'll be like putting a puzzle together. You may very well be. Yeah, I got it. We're good. I bet you're right. I bet we had it like
I don't
this, and
think
then
it
I had the fender and the
Maybe
fender.
the fender's going long ways like
Yeah,
that.
and then kind of in the valley, put the grill.
So you want the grill next?
Let's do at least one fender.
One fender.
Yep.
One fender. There you go.
Got it.
We'll start.
Set it like this, we can lay it over
Yeah,
there.
it doesn't just.
There's no good way.
Yeah,
there's
they're
no good way
kind
to
of
hold
funky.
these.
We just start wrapping it up, just like that, and then we'll end up putting another one on it.
Looking like your baby there, Tom.
That's what I said. Well, you guys, I'll get another blanket out.
You want to put another blanket on now, or you want to lay it in there?
I think we're good. What do you think?
We got two on that.
That's true. Yeah,
Grab that in.
I think we're good. It's air suspension, so it won't go much.
We're gonna go around. I think we're going crossways so we could get the grill in there. That's what he's talking about. Let me come around the side.
You guys are doing a great job.
That goes nice.
Looks like something you use for a coffin.
Yeah.
James, you got the other end?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, nice. It's almost a shame to cover it up to drive it back.
You'll have plenty of time to look at it when you're spending hours and hours and hours putting it together.
Yeah, well, yes. I say, you know, I got buddies of mine probably going to come over Friday. We'll see. And if you want, I'll send you pictures of it going back together.
Yeah, everybody wants to see what it looks like.
Okay. Well, we can do that. And I said, well, it'll probably be a couple of weeks, but it probably won't be long.
A couple of weeks.
That's
a pretty lofty goal.
That's true.
Couple of weeks.
All right, ready? I used the same chrome platers for all the chrome on it.
What, your tuxedo badges and stuff?
Yeah, and all the, come on. It had as you know, it had a lot of extra chrome pieces on it. Like the hood hinges,
Yep.
the windshield support, even the rear view mirror was chrome plated.
Was the front bumper on yours chrome plated?
No, because he had a winch on it. It has.
So from the factory, you didn't have a chrome bumper?
I don't see. He bought it was about a year old.
The folks come with it.
Yeah, but we have a King Ranch winch. So somebody put a PTO drive shaft driven winch. So I I should have sent some pictures. I don't think I ever did. Which presented a whole nother set of issues for me to restore the winch, the drive shaft, the PTO.
Gotta do what you gotta do,
Oh,
man.
yeah. But it was,
Hi.
it's done.
Are you in trouble again?
Ah.
All right, you ready? You just hold that in.
All right, getting ready to put the top of the box back on. Get this ready to go home.
How are we coming? Looks good over here. Brian, you okay?
I'm good.
Yep,
this
you're
way.
good.
Can you pick up a little bit?
In the back, James.
Yes, on top of my head.
Okay.
Yep, you got plenty. You're not gonna bump. You got plenty of height.
Whoops.
There you
Hang
go.
on, I'm caught on a bracket. Hang on.
Okay. We gotta come back a little bit
Come on
more.
back 6 inches.
Yeah, right about there.
Good.
It's close. And man, we are just about dead on. So we gotta go this way. Do I? Yeah, no, we're darn close. And what we'll do is I'll run these in here. And now setting it up, I'll sink our bolts. I'll show you. Which one do you want to put in first?